Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Happy Mail video. So I went to my post office today and found a package from BB's Closet Creation. So if you don't know BB here on YouTube, you should check her out. She's sweet as she can be. She's an awesome crafter, and she does craft often too. So let's check out what she sent me. I don't know what it is. It's kind of soft, so that's exciting. And she puts a sweet little note here saying, God bless our postal workers. How cute. And then she has the little stickers with the coffee and the tea with the lemon. Super cute. And she said, life happens, coffee helps. She has a stamp here. So let's open this up and see what she has graced me with. Let's see. I'm gonna cut it open here. I know this is so suspenseful, huh? There we go, there we go. So, turn it this way. Feels like it's all kind of goodness in here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Some clear stamps that say happy birthday, thank you, and a lot of other sentiments that I can use. Thank you, BB. This is super sweet. I'm always looking for sentiment stamps, and I don't have this one. And I love how they have different fonts. That is awesome. Oh, and there's a card. It says, open me. I'm going to open it. Let's see. Oh, it's a beautiful little card. Isn't that cute? Oh, it goes this way. Let me read what it says. Super sweet, BB. I'm telling you, this young lady is awesome. Please check her channel out. I know I don't have that many viewers to send over, but I'd appreciate it if you do. Oh, she sent me some tea. Apple and cranberry. Ooh, that sounds good. What are the other flavors? Look at this cute little topper she has on here. I want to see the flavors that are included. My boyfriend and I, we drink a tea in the mornings usually. And we're always trying, different teas out. So this is apple and cranberry. That sounds good. And then organic mango and green tea. Now, I know my guy will want to try this because I do believe he likes mangoes a lot. So, organic mango green tea, and we like organic. So, thank you. Oh, man, look at this. Look, I stopped talking about the tea as soon as I saw this. This is Tim Holtz Ideology Layers, and this is a bunch of pretty florals. And I've seen this, but I've never took the plunge in purchasing it, but I can already tell that I'm gonna like it. Yep, this is right up my alley. Look at these awesome die cuts. You got butterflies, floral designs. Yep, I think she watches my channel because she knows me. Look at that butterfly. Wow. And I know BB likes butterflies too, so I'm surprised she was able to give these up. These are simply gorgeous. Thank you, BB. And there's so many of them. It doesn't, 83. Wow. Super sweet. Roses and daisies. More butterflies. Make sure I'm in frame here. Butterflies. Look at that. Wow. If I'd have known this was this pretty, I would have bought it a long time ago. But now I don't have to because BB has sent this to me. So nice. Oh, wow, BB. These are gorgeous. Wow, look at that one. That's pretty different, huh? It's almost like a moth. Okay. I'm looking. I'm supposed to be sharing too. So let's see what else here. And then this little planner with the cute little hearts on there. Oh, look at this. It's a cute little planner. I like this. Simple. Look at that. That's really pretty. And then look at this tag she made. Man, that stitching is gorgeous. I wish I could stitch like that, you know, on my sewing machine, but I can't even get it to work right. And then it has these pretty little pieces of ephemera and tags. So pretty. Look at that. Oh, BB, this is so sweet of you. I love this. And it has vellum on the front of this tag holder. This is adorable and a super cute planner that I can put in my purse. I like that. Oh, look at this Spellbinder set. Get your kicks on Route 66. It's called Hit the Road. Keep on moving. Happy birthday, old school. Pump in the truck. This is sweet. And then this little like a map, like you're driving, you know, the direction you went. This is probably Route 66. On here, I can't, oh, Oklahoma City, and that's where I'm from. So I know about Route 66. This is awesome. Thank you, BB. You are so sweet. Guys, check out BB's channel. You will adore her like we all do who know her and watch her channel. This was so awesome of you. I really appreciate it. Love, I can't wait to try this apple cranberry tea for sure. And then the Tim Holtz, all the die cuts that I have open here. Thank you so much, BB. I really appreciate it. You have brought a really big smile to my face this afternoon. Thank you so much. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.